Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how the lead conversion works in Salesforce. So before we get started, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So lead conversion in Salesforce means changing a potential customer, for our case is in Salesforce called lead, into real sales records. So basically an account, a contact, and usually an opportunity. So when a sales rep decides a lead is ready, like they seem interested or can buy, the lead is converted, qualified, and then it's getting converted. So the Salesforce automatically create these three records like account, contact, and opportunity. And this way, your sales team can track relationship and deals more easily, help boost sales performance, and keep your data organized. So leads, first of all, leads. So in my diagram, like lead is the potential customer who show interest. So like they shown interest to your product by attending your webinar or filling out a form in your website, like that. Those are the potential customer, but not customer. So those leads are the potential customer who show interest. And then accounts are the companies you do business with, and the contacts are like the people who works on those companies, and opportunities are like possible deals or sales in progress. So after whenever the lead converted into Salesforce, those converted lead records is getting archived by the Salesforce, and these three records got created, and we can make those archive record ID stored into our new records. So that's a separate process, but the thing is that whenever a lead is getting converted, those leads records are getting archived into Salesforce. And let me just convert a lead. So first of all, these are the lead statuses are there for in my org. Like there are three lead statuses, like whenever lead is getting created, it will be of status like open, not contacted, then working, contacted, then closed, not converted, and finally this converted. So I'll be clicking on the status and just selecting on this button like select converted status. On selecting this button, I will be redirected into this pop-up. So that will basically ask for the creating, we like to create a new account or search for an existing account. So existing account refers to those accounts who those accounts are likely resides in the system. So we can search those accounts record, or we can just create a new account. So for the time being, I'll be creating a new account record, and the same for the contact as well. So a new contact record will be created, or we can just search our existing contact record, and finally a opportunity record, and for the same we can search for the opportunity record as well. And the and the and we can optionally make this opportunity creation. So we can see this checkbox like don't create an opportunity upon conversion. So the key points are like whenever a lead is getting converted, so account and contract records, both these two records will be created definitely, but we can just create optionally this opportunity record, right? And in the later sessions, I'll be discussing how to automatically convert leads using Salesforce Apex classes, like by customizing. There are different there are like standard classes there, like lead convert class, and in there is a method like convert lead. Using those methods, we can just dynamically convert a lead whenever a certain criteria matches for that lead record. So for the time being, I'll be just creating this opportunity record as well. So I'll be just clicking on this convert button. On clicking on this convert button, we will be getting redirected into this screen like your lead has been converted, and we can see that this records got created like account, contact, and opportunity. So we can just open one of the three record, and we can see there are details are there. So these are the and we can see that there are few details got automatically populated, and so these details are getting populated from that lead record only. So whenever this lead record is getting populated, so all of the information, key fields, values of the lead record getting transmitted into these account, contacts, and opportunity records. So this is how simply lead conversion works in Salesforce. So that's all for this demo. So in the later session, I'll be discussing more about how to map more fields while the lead lead is getting converted, and then how to automatically convert a lead into Salesforce. So please stay tuned. Please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll be adding more tutorials on Salesforce Omni Studio topics. So thank you for watching. Thank you.